COVID-19. It feels like everyone knows everything about the virus. From Instagram threads such as the one I made a while ago about vaccination centers available in your area, to the constantly updating COVID-19 guidelines by state and by percentage vaccinated. To avoid misinformation, I won't explicitly give any additional info you might already know about COVID-19 and its variants. I'll redirect you, however, to reliable sources that will guarantee the most up-to-date information. I will also highlight some organizations who I believe are doing the best to aid the ongoing effects of the virus in helping others personally affected by this pandemic. So, let's get started. The CDC guidelines are always floating around, but constantly changing. Visit cdc.org. You can educate yourself on how to protect yourself during this pandemic. Many states who have recently made the mask wearing in public optional have now made strict mandates for masks to be worn in public, regardless if you are vaccinated or not. This shows how serious this pandemic is becoming due to hasty reopenings and impatience while we still experience COVID-19 1.5 years later. Many haven't been out of their house, delivery services are used more, and travel has indefinitely been restricted. Feels like we haven't gone out of this situation, but hopefully, following these rules will serve beneficial to your health and others. Face masks should be worn in public transportation and at transportation hubs. Tests or proof of a recovery from COVID-19 needs to be present coming to and from flights or if you are taking a flight. There's a travel ban from countries with infectious disease outbreaks, meaning you may not travel to those countries at that time, nor anyone from those countries can travel outside of the country. With these guidelines, they are simple, but when said, it's up to you to follow these guidelines. Ask any healthcare professional, and they'll say the same thing. Here are some organizations that I find helpful when debunking COVID-19 misinformation, as well as donation sites and causes that will be great to notice during this time. I will have all of these organization websites linked down below for you to reference them. For example, the Greenpeace Foundation, which highlights COVID-19 stories from around the world in several different languages and has a donation site. Go check it out. American Red Cross does a lot for a multitude of causes and is readily available to assist COVID-19 patients and is also a donation site. The Leukemia and Lymphoma Society is a charitable organization that is closely monitoring COVID-19 and provides resources for COVID-19 patients. Remember, use reliable sources to find information about serious topics such as this worldwide pandemic. Be an ally and support this fight for our future health and wellness. See you in the next video.